How's it going, everybody? Over here at the shop, giving the weekly SlagHammer update. Right now, we're still kind of waiting on some parts to come in. I'm waiting for some paint to come in because I'm doing the interior. So right now, I'm doing what I can. I got about everything cleaned up. I measured everything out for my brake line, so hopefully I can get that here soon. And but other than that, just moving along with it. Tony's ordered the gasket kit for the motor. That should be in this week. So things are moving moving along. And yes, the Junkyard boys were here yesterday working. And they managed to get their front bumper on, the grill assembly in. So they've been working away on that. They got the frame rail connectors welded in yesterday. Steering column's about ready to go back in. They finished riveting their firewall back here. Austin did some brake work. They're waiting for their chunk so they can get their axle in. So things are moving along. And as far as I go here with SlagHammer, I've got all the old wiring ripped out of it, what was left. I'm getting ready to start doing some rewiring on the car now so I can have tail lights, headlights, basic functions. But as you can see, it's a little dark, but I've been primering the floor, and I ran out of primer yesterday, so I'm waiting for that to come in. I'm doing a little trim work on the door. I'm going to follow the red theme out on the upper part of the door trim. We're doing that on both sides. I've got the front by someone's footprint, I guess the other day when I left. 90% of that's all primed up, so I'm just waiting for my paint to come in on that. Yes, it's going to be white. I'm kind of test fitted my seats back in here one last time. Got my holes drilled out for that. Got the steering wheel in yesterday. And with my gauges, I'm still going to put some switches over here and have that done. But it's coming together, man. And I love the steering wheel that's in it too. So the car's coming together, guys. We're doing things as it comes in. And but yeah, she's looking good, looking good. Still waiting for our grump lump to get in on the hood scoop on that, so I can finish cutting out exactly where it's going to need to be at. And just trucking along, man, just trucking along. But she's getting close. So I'm hoping here soon, in the next couple weeks, hopefully be able to hear this thing fire off. But she's starting to look like a car. But other than that, I'm going to be working off and on this during the week. I've got a truck I got to do at my house, and I'm going to update y'all on that. And right now, that's about it, guys. I mean, just stuff around the shop, stuff getting done, a little at a time. So hopefully here soon, Junkyard Jets will be further along with theirs and have their car on the ground. Hopefully here soon, we're going to get SlagHammer buttoned up, and get it up and running. But like I said, we're not painting the car now until about the end of the year, and I'm just running out of time on that part of it, so we're concentrating on the drivetrain and everything. Oh, and I got to crawl underneath here, and I got to finish drilling my holes for the trans mount. It's sitting in place, so I can get that drilled in, so that way we can pull the motor and stuff back out of the car, and that way there I can finish plumbing in brake lines, fuel lines, electrical, and stuff like that. I've also got to sit there and measure out for our drive shaft, so that's stuff I'm going to be doing this week. And it's coming together, guys. You know, before we know it, June's going to be here. This thing's going to be on the road, doing the hot rod tour, and kind of take it from there. But other than that, guys, I'm going to get back to it, and I'll see you down the road.